Hi guys, welcome back to the channel in yet another travel series, this time from the beautiful city of Prague. It's December, Christmas is round the corner and the whole city is sparkling. So even before you come to Prague, make sure you book your Airbnb or hotel somewhere in the old town. The old town of Prague is the most beautiful place to stay in. It's our first morning here. We're going to walk through the Charles Bridge because we have a lovely activity planned and I cannot wait to show it to you.
Feeling like hot chocolate? Drinking hot chocolate?
How cold is it?
Very cold, man. Very, very, very cold.
Hello.
Hello.
You know, Prague feels like where old world charm meets 21st century luxury, and both feel timeless. There is something about Prague, the Gothic spires. The whole city is filled of alchemy, beautiful squares.
The cobble streets are?
Yeah.
They are magical. Look at, they
They are
are
magical,
only cobble
yeah.
streets in fact.
And then those horses that come on the carriages and you can hear the... Every square is so pretty. Behind me is the Franz Kafka monument. I'll show you a little later. And on the other side, this is why I say old town. We have literally just gotten down from our apartment, and it's the whole scene is stunning. Horse carriages, vintage cars.
I'm noticing a lot of walking tours that people are taking. Huh?
Yeah, it's known for
is
it.
a culture.
There's day tours, then there's night tours
Yeah,
that
we
tell
saw
you
that.
all about.
The night ones.
Yeah. See, most of the buildings in Old Town are 500 to 800 years old from the medieval era, and today every street feels like a page in a history book. It's like in Prague, the past isn't preserved, it lives with you.
So many walking tours I'm seeing again and again.
Yeah. A lot of these walking tours are free. You can literally just join a group and explore everything, and in case you want to tip them something in the end, you can give them 1, 2, 5 euros, whatever you feel like. Trust me, we are going to be seeing a lot of Old Town in the 4 days, but right now we are just in a hurry because our Scrooser tour is about to begin.
Yeah.
So during your time in Prague, you will come across many bridges, but the most iconic is Charles Bridge. Built in the 14th century under King Charles IV, filled with musicians and artists, it's more than just a river crossing. And the bridge connects the old town to the Prague Castle. In fact, the castle deserves a whole other video. So of course, the Charles Bridge is one of the most stunning things that you should see in Prague. And on our first morning here, the first thing we are doing is walking over Charles Bridge to go from the old town to lesser town, Malastrana, where our Scrooser is going to take us throughout the whole of Prague. But if you want to avoid the crowd, come here nice and early. Otherwise, it's going to look like this.
And we're here.
So we are finally here, just off the Charles Bridge in the lesser town is Cruiser Tours, is Petre and Stan. These two guys that you can take fat bikes and go around all of Prague, Old Town, New Town. You can head to Prague Castle, Letna Park, Beer Garden, many more places. Come, let's check it out.
Will I be able to do this?
Let's find out. Hello. Hi. Hello.
So guys, there are only two things. So the brake is here, yes, the most important part of the scooter. On the right side here is the speed. More you twist it, more faster you go. So just be careful, just don't do it too much, yes? You can sit on a scooter, you can also try to stand. Standing is better on a cobblestones like this because sometimes it's... that's pretty much it, yes?
Okay, this looks easy.
Yeah, very good, very good.
Good enough, right? Not bad, yeah.
Turning's a bit tricky.
Turning's tricky for sure. You really have to put your weight there.
Next stop, first stop, I would like to show some piece of the Czech art.
Wow.
It's 200 meters from here. But I also want to say that today is a Saturday, so it's like less cars, but a lot of people. Yes.
Yeah, we saw
Right.
Yeah. Perfect.
All right.
So guys, follow me.
Yes.
Let's go. You go first.
Oh, you guys go.
You don't want to be in the end. Alright, I can do this. So passing through the fake marijuana shops of Malastrana and getting a hang of our fat bikes, we reach our first stop of the day.
So guys, is your first time in Prague?
Yes, not for me.
Let's call it that. Yes.
Wait, for you it is or for you it's not?
It's not. First time without absinthe.
Does anyone know what is this type of shape on the bottom? Do you know what does it mean this?
It's not a leaf.
Well, that's a nice guess, but this is the border of all the country, yes, the Czech Republic, yes. This guy here is standing on a map where the Prague is located. The second guy is standing where the Brno is located. Brno is like the biggest city.
Right, yes.
And the thing is that they are pissing on each other. So it should symbolize kind of like a rivalry between those two cities. No problem between each other. We are really good friends. Only the rivalry in a sport.
Okay.
And do you know what is the biggest sport here in this country? Number one is the ice hockey. Only for you guys, yeah? Only for you. So it's supposed to move, eh? This one here, left and right. Yes. And also this one, up and down. Yes.
Now that makes more sense.
That makes sense. Yes.
So riding through the cobblestone streets, the soft church bells and the riverside parks, we were now getting on the main streets of Prague.
So guys, now we just need to turn left, yes?
Yeah.
Just follow me, please don't go over me because after that some problems can happen. So we turn left. Czech drivers are horrible, you know? Guys, at least I stop here. I just want to show you, this is the building, it's called Rudolfinum. It is the concert hall and it is the base for the Czech Philharmonic. And it's like a 12 different like symphonies, really nice. Yeah. This big building here, Charles University, top 10 the oldest university in the world, 1348. So guys, if you want to study in Prague, I have a good news for you because it's for free for everyone, yes? Wow. Doesn't matter where you are coming from. So if you're Indian and you want to study here or the UK, no cost at all. The only problem is that it's for free only in the Czech language, yes? So guys, let me give you some Czech lesson. Okay. Do you know how to say hi in Czech? You can say ciao, that's correct. But in Czech we say ahoj. The little problem is that ahoj is more like for the friends. So to me, you can say, hey Peter, ahoj. But if you go to a restaurant or supermarket, don't say ahoj, because it's rude. Right. You should be more formal and you should say dobrý den. In other words, it's thank you or thanks. Geek. Geek. So right now we are in a Jewish quarter. Yes. This is the oldest still working synagogue in Europe. Yes. It's from the 13th century. It's called Old New Synagogue. There are like 4 synagogues at the moment here in Old Town, but back in the day there was like much more. But the cemetery here. So this cemetery is the biggest, most preserved Jewish cemetery in the world. Over 12,000 gravestones on very small land. So the people are buried on top of each other. Next up is the Old Town Square, which is the famous square. Have you been?
Yeah.
This street, it's called Paris Street. And it is the most expensive street in Prague, most fancy one. But it looks like a very fancy, you know what I mean? Yeah, the art is really nice actually. Those clocks are the oldest still working astronomical clocks in the world.
Yes.
Was built in a 1410. And a 70% mechanism inside is still same. That's why it's so unique and so special. Down from the clock, there is one more big wheel, and it's not the clocks, it is the calendar of the names. Because in this country, we celebrate name days. I explain you. Every name has one special day once per year. So me, I'm Peter, so I celebrate my special day 29th of June because of the Saint Peter. Yes. I'm pretty sure that your name will be not in the Czech calendar. But now is the time of the AI. So what's your name, for example? Ritika. So your name, Czech name is Rita. Rita, R-I-T-A. And your special day is the 22nd of May. So your special day is the 5th of May.
5th of May.
And your name, Czech name is Sakir. Sakir. So the best Czech food what you can try, according to my opinion, it's called svíčková. Yes. It's like a dumplings. We call it dumplings, but it looks like a bread. Vegetable sauce, piece of beef, cranberries, whipped cream, and piece of lemon. That's the best, yes? back in the day, there was like 5 different towns. Old Town, New Town, Lesser Town, Prague Castle District and Vyšehrad Castle District. 5 different towns. Wow. Later, in the 18th centuries, all these 5 towns was connected to one city called Prague. Because now we'll go around 4 kilometers.
Okay.
Whoa. Yes. Wow. So be ready for long riding.
Let's go.
Now we go this way, and this street is like a party street. It's for the bars, clubs, parties. Do you want to party tonight or not really? Next stop is actually, if you see the park in front, that's where I'm going. I would like to show some beautiful view. I think we go now.
So the Scrooser tour is for 2 hours, but it honestly feels like a lot longer. And in a freezing Letna Park, we took a tea break, a few minutes to take in the views before continuing along. And honestly, my favorite part of the whole tour was riding through Letna Park. Also, I'm glad we did this on our very first day in Prague. See, there's no way we could have seen so many different corners and alleys of the city. It almost starts feeling homely.
Totally over 70,000 square meters, and it is the biggest castle complex in the world. Very important thing is, president of the country, he lives there. On the roof, on the right side, there is a flag. Presidential flag. If the president is inside of the country, not the castle, but the country, then the flag is on. Okay. So I can see president is here.
Closer to the end, I can tell you this. Every corner holds a story, and the magic of the old world quietly lives on.
So guys, unfortunately, it's very sad, but this is our last stop of the day. I have a marker for you. You can write whatever you want.
Let's do that.
Nice messages.
Celebrate, and this is the YouTube channel, so you can follow it.
Of course.
It's called a festival
Oh, dude, I wrote the same thing.
called life.
So enjoy the last 50 meters of the bumpiest city in the world. You will not feel any more in life.
So as our first day in this magical city comes to end, Prague lights up, streets begin to glow. The Charles Bridge lighting ceremony feels like a show. We wander around the lanes of Old Town, full of magic and treat. The air smells like mulled wine and the forever horses on a cobblestone street.